What is up, you guys, and welcome back to another Decorate With Me video. Today we are kicking it off with our Halloween kitchen decor. So it's going to be a decorate slash clean with me. Going to be tidying up the kitchen a little bit, and we're going to be getting our tier tray put together. So this tier tray comes together very quick. It's only 3 pieces and it all screws together. It's very simple. Really love that this one has some feet on it, so it's kind of lifted up a little bit and it fit perfect right underneath my kitchen cabinets. So I was very happy about that. So I did purchase this tier tray online from Amazon. Very good quality. It comes in 3 different colors. I chose black to go with the Halloween theme. Once you have the rod through both pieces, there's a bolt that just screws in to the bottom, and that's pretty much it. It's very easy to put together. So once I got my tier tray all put together, I just set it aside, and then I moved on to pulling out all my decorations. Just kind of getting an idea of what I was going to use, what I have, just kind of putting eyes on everything. Once I had eyes on everything, I started to pull certain pieces that I knew that I wanted on my tray. So I kind of played around with those pieces for a little bit just to get an idea of how I wanted things to go. It takes a lot of moving around of the different pieces until everything is exactly how I want it. So I just got a couple of things that I knew I wanted on there for sure, and then I decided to step away from it and get some cleaning done. So I am going to come back to the tier tray. So I decided to start with the kitchen countertops and the backsplash. Just use some all-purpose cleaner to get everything wiped down and get everything nice and clean before we started to add any decorations to the countertops. Also went ahead and washed up some of the Halloween bowls that I was going to be using and a couple of random dishes that I had in the sink. So I have this cute little skeleton hand bowl, and I'm just going to transition all my fruit to this bowl. So I'm done tidying up and cleaning, you guys. So now I'm just moving along to another area in the kitchen. I have this wooden tray, and I'm just adding pieces, moving things around per usual until I like the flow of it. So I went looking through my bins again, and I noticed that I had this 4-count placement set. They are spider webs. So I'm using one on this round tray, and I think it just really pulled everything together. I'm really loving how everything came together with that placemat. so the kitchen is done and I'm very happy with the turnout. So I added this really cute runner here that just says trick or treat. It's black and white and orange, which is basically the theme of my kitchen colors. Then over here I have this little tray and I added a spider web. It was like a placemat. Came a set of 4, so I just used one on this tray. I added this cute little stack of books and I added these pumpkin candles, added a couple spiders to the mix. Of course, Minnie Witch had to make her entrance. Love this little boo cup. I get the vibes that that cup matches Minnie's handle, so I love that there. Then I added this Jack Skeleton cup, and I have this little mummy guy here. So I had some extra bones, so I just filled him with bones. He might get filled with popcorn or some type of candy soon, but this is what he's looking like now, and I'm loving it. I'm really loving how that turned out. So then moving on over here into the kitchen, I added this Hocus Pocus hand towel. Love that, and it came in a set of 2. On top of the countertop, I have this fruit bowl. So I had a wooden fruit bowl that I just transferred everything into here, but then as I was digging through my decor, I found this spider web tray. So I was considering moving everything to this tray. Let me know down in the comments, you guys, what you think. Let me know if I should leave it in this bowl or if I should put it in this tray. I'm torn in between the two. They're both really cute, but I'm curious to know you guys' thought if they should go into this tray, which I think I kind of like. Which one do you guys think? Let me know. Then over here on top of the stove, I have this cute little pumpkin. It's not actually stovetop friendly. I just put it up here for decorations. And then onto my tiered tray. Loving the tiered tray. I'm not 100% done with it. I still would like to add some filler or something. I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm not 100% loving it quite yet. But I did put this Jack Skeleton tumbler back here. It's a to-go cup. The color scheme I was going with here is black, the pops of the green and the orange. So mostly black, green, and orange. So lots of Rae Dunn finds on here. I found these really cute Rae Dunn salt and pepper cauldrons. So I thought those were cute. One says boo and the other one says eat. Then I got some Rae Dunn mugs back here. So I have the potion one. I wanted that pop of green just to bring out the green from this cauldron from the potion. Got a cute little kitty cat here, and then I have the dangling cat here, and I have some 2 shot glasses that I just filled with the candy corn. Really loving the turnout so far. I'm sure that I will move things around some more. That is it for today's video, you guys. Thanks for watching to the end. Make sure you drop me a comment down below. I want to know if I should use the skeleton hand bowl or the spider web bowl. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I definitely want to know your feedback. Still probably going to be moving a couple of things around on that tiered tray, but so far so good. I'm enjoying kicking off our Halloween decor sessions, and I'm also really loving this section here. Also added this maple latte scented soap from Whole Foods. It smells really, really good, you guys. This is what we are looking like so far.